Hello friends, this video on triangle and its properties part 18 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So based on whatever we have learned in the Pythagoras theorem, let us quickly have a look at some of the questions. Question number 1. ABC is a triangle right angled at C. So let us draw a triangle ABC which is right angled at C. Right angled at C means the right angle is at the vertex C. So this is C, let us call this A, let us call this B. So this is ABC. AB is equal to 25 centimeters. So AB is 25 centimeters. AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Find BC. So we have to find out BC. So which is the hypotenuse? AB is the hypotenuse. So as per Pythagoras theorem, what do we know? We know hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So what is hypotenuse? Here hypotenuse is 25. So 25 square is equal to 7 square plus base square. Base is something that we need to find out. So 25 square would be 625. 7 into 7 would be 49 plus b square. Therefore, b square would be equal to 625 minus 49, which is equal to 576. Therefore, b will be equal to root over 576. So, root over 576 means you will have to find out such a value which when multiplied by itself gives 576. So, how do we find that? So, for that, we do prime factorization of 576. So, how do we do prime factorization? We have learned this in class 6th, right? So, you divide it by the smallest possible prime number. So you get numbers like this and you continue the process. So this is what you get. So when you actually prime factorize 576, it comes out to be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So basically this can be rearranged and written somewhat like this. You have a total of 6 twos. So 3 2's together, again 3 2's together. You have 2 3's, so 1 3 and 1 3. So what you can do is, this can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So you take 1 out of these and 1 out of this. So you get this multiplied by again the same thing, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this is how we do prime factorization, right? So 2 2's are 4, 2's are 8. 3 is a 24. So 576 can be written as 24 into 24. Therefore, root over 576 is equal to 24 centimeter. Therefore, the value of BC would be 24 centimeters. Question number 2. A 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12 meters high from the ground on placing it against a wall at a distance A. So this is the ladder, 15 meters. Height 12 meters and the distance from the wall is A. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. So basically we will have to find the value of A. So again we'll use Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse square. So here which is the hypotenuse? This ladder is the hypotenuse. Therefore 15 square is equal to 12 square plus A square. So 15 into 15 is 225 is equal to 12 into 12 is 144 plus A square. Or we can say that A square is equal to 225 minus 144. So this is 81. Therefore A is equal to root over 81, which is equal to 9 centimeters. Therefore the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall is 9 centimeters. Question number 3. A tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meters from the base of the tree. So here you have to understand something. Let's say that you had a tree like this. And let's say that this is the ground. So this is how the tree was initially. Now what happened is, you need to find the total height of the tree, original height of the tree. So this was the original height of the tree. Now what happened was, due to some reason, this tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground. So let's say that at a height of 5 meters from the ground, this tree was broken like this. So the tree was broken and it fell to the ground. Now what happened? Now this says that it has broken at a distance of 5 meters. That means this height is actually 5 meters. So this height is 5 meters. And it also says that the top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meters from the base of the tree. This is the base of the tree and this is where the top touches the ground. So basically this distance is given as 12 meters. So we have to find out the original height of the tree. So the original height of the tree would be this height plus this height, right? So you actually need to find this x. So once you find x plus 5 would be the original height of the tree. So how do we find x? So to find x, we make use of Pythagoras theorem. X square is equal to 5 square plus 12 square. So 5 5s are 25, 12 into 12 is 144. This is equal to 169. So x is equal to root over 169 and root over 169 is nothing but 13 centimeters. So this is 13 centimeters. So original height would be what? This entire height, right? So before it was broken, that means when it was not broken, this part was also erect. So basically original height would be equal to 13 plus 5, that is equal to 18 meters. So these were all in meters. So this was also meter. So the original height of the tree would be 18 meters. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.